Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix basic faults on your sensor trash can. This is an Elpheco Nordic style, but the same process will apply to other models out there. So, if it's not operating properly, obviously the first thing to do is make sure that your batteries are okay. So on this particular model, there's a little switch here that you can turn off, and then you can lift this bit up, and we have the battery compartment underneath here. To take it out, we're going to pull on this thing, and this will lift the batteries out. Now, if you've recently replaced the batteries, you might have installed them incorrectly. So you might have put them correctly in here, as per the diagram, but then when you go to put them back in, you can put them in that way, this way, this way, this way. There's numerous ways of putting them in, but the only way that's going to work is if you have these two contacts here against those two contacts there. So make sure that your batteries are working, new, full of energy, and installed correctly, and then see if your problem disappears. If your problem disappears, fantastic. If you've still got a problem, it could be that your sensor is dirty. So just placing that back on there now and turn it back on here. This is your sensor here. Get a damp, not wet, a damp cloth and give it a nice, good clean, because if it's very dirty or if something's been spilt on it, then it might not be able to sense your hand going over it. So give that a nice good clean. Also, when it closes, I'm going to turn it off here. 1 second, let me just turn it off. I'm going to turn it off now when it's closed. Give this area a nice good clean, because when you've thrown something in it or something else might have spilt on it, if this is all a sticky mess here, then it's going to really struggle to open. So give this all a nice good clean. So if this is clean, and if your batteries are new, then the chances are it should be working fine. Obviously, there might actually be a problem with the mechanism, the electrics, the gears, but these are just some simple things you can do yourself that will hopefully get your sensor trash can working again. If you've done other things to get yours working, please put it down in the comment section below, and you might help other people out who are watching this video. Thanks for watching.